Hello team. Today we're diving into something exciting. How to create professional project plans using completely free AI tools. If you've been hesitating to try AI because of cost concerns, this lesson is perfect for you. First, let me debunk a common myth. You don't need expensive software to create detailed project plans. Let me show you how to do it using just ChatGPT's free version. Let's create a real project plan together. I'll walk you through my 3-step process. Step 1, setting up your prompt. Open up ChatGPT and start with this template prompt. Create a detailed project plan for, name your project, with the following parameters: timeline, team size, budget constraints, main deliverables, key stakeholder. Let's use a real example. I'll type, create a detailed project plan for launching a new e-commerce website with the following parameter: timeline, 3 months, team size, 4 people, budget constraints, $15,000, main deliverables, website design, product upload, payment integration, testing. Key stakeholders: business owner, web developer, designer, content writer. Now let's move to step 2. Reviewing and refining ChatGPT's response. Notice how ChatGPT breaks down the project into phases. Look for any missing elements. Ask for adjustments if needed. Now let's make this even more useful. Here's how to get more detailed information. 1. Ask for specific breakdown. For example, for each phase, please provide detailed tasks, time estimate, resource allocation, dependencies, and risk factors. 2. Request budget allocation. For example, please break down the $15,000 budget across all phases and tasks. And 3. Generate timeline visualization. Create a week-by-week timeline showing all major milestones and deadlines. And here are some important reminders. Number 1, always review AI suggestions for feasibility. Always. 2, keep your project details generic. No confidential information. 3, save successful prompts for future use. 4, cross-check timelines with your team. And 5, use this as a starting point, not a final plan. And for today's homework: 1, create a project plan for something simple you're working on. 2, try all 3 advanced prompts we covered. And 3, document which prompts work best for you. Remember, start small, experiment often, and build your confidence gradually. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and follow for more daily AI lessons that help you work smarter, not harder. Want personalized guidance? Book a free 15-minute one-on-one consultation at investinyourself101.com.